What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're gonna go over a penny stock that I talked about in the past that is involved with Dogecoin. So we're gonna go over and update what this company is all about, their earnings report, how they're continuously growing, and I'm gonna go over exactly what to expect for this company moving forward. I'm also gonna go over a quick stock market recap, so make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Now the company that I'm going to be talking about is going to be HelloPal. So I made a video about this company in March. As you can see over here, the stock price is currently sitting at $1.25 today. It's up 7.76%. So the stock has been consolidating the past few months. So it had an initial breakout. It went all the way to $1.59, and it's been steady for past few weeks, just trading hovering above $1. So there's been a massive news that came out for this company when it's relates to the Dogecoin, when it relates to the revenue that they're making. So we're going to go over about the specific details, but if you want to get involved in it, of course, you can definitely check out the ticker symbol at OTC Markets. It's trading at HHLPF. And also, if you want to go do more research about it, you can definitely go and check out the website. But the main news that we're going to be talking about since March, as I mentioned, I made a video about it. The massive news that came out after I posted the video was that HelloPal announces more than 2.4 monthly revenue for March 2021. HelloPal signs definitive purchase agreement to acquire interest in Dogecoin, Litecoin mining assets. So this is really important because in the video that I made, we're just getting involved. They just announced that they can potentially get involved in it, but now they said that they have definitely signed an agreement. So we're gonna go over in detail, look at exactly what this agreement is all about and what can potentially happen for this company moving forward. And also another important update is that HelloPal announces closing of 7.25 million subscription financing. I will also have HelloPal announces another 2.494 million monthly revenue for April 2021. So that is super massive, So later on I'm gonna do a quick update about exactly what this company is all about. I'm gonna go over the investor presentation, but let's just go over this massive news that all of you have been waiting for, of course, because on the last video we talked about this specific important news that HelloPal can potentially getting involved in mining, right? So this is the definitive purchase agreement to acquire interest in a Dogecoin, Litecoin mining asset. So when you go in detail and look at exactly what this could potentially mean for this company moving forward, as you can see, the CEO said that with the signing of the definitive agreement with Yitang, we have taken the next step towards having cryptocurrencies as an integral part of HelloPal. The founder and chairman of the company, Kel Wang. So this is going to be fantastic because we all know that the future is going to be cryptocurrencies. We know we have Elon Musk that's pushing for Dogecoin, even though Bitcoin is having a correction, here and there. But we know the future is definitely going to be cryptocurrency. But this company is definitely making a huge step in that direction, and that can definitely benefit it moving forward, so that is really, really important. And the other thing that you also want to be looking at is that the stock price has just been consolidating. Any kind of positive news, that comes out, it could potentially be breaking out of the high that it made right around over here. So when you go over the website, this is exactly that you're going to be seeing. So I'm going to go over and watch a quick introduction video about what this company is all about. And we're going to go over the investor presentation, and then I'm going to come back and go over what happened to the stock market today. So let's check out the video.
Ever wonder what people around the world are like? With HelloPal, meeting and making new friends from all over the world has never been easier. For a start, see what living in other countries is like by browsing through pictures and videos posted by users and interacting with those who interest you. Want to find people from specific countries? Simply start a new chat and select your search preferences, such as country, location, age, and gender. Can't speak or understand foreign languages? No problem. Just use our built-in translation tools wherever necessary. And last but not least, interact with users in real time through live stream videos. Just join any of the live stream feeds and chat with the live streamers using text or voice. Or better still, start a live stream broadcast yourself so you can share yourself with the world live. In fact, whenever you receive virtual gifts, you are actually earning money which you can withdraw whenever you like. So wait no more. Say hello, pal, and meet the world today.
So as you saw from the video, so you can definitely, if after you download the app, you can interact with people across the world, and you can also, do live streams, a live streaming service, and they have a blockchain utility token that you're able to use to exchange that. And when you look at exactly what this company is all about, is that they are a social media company that are also trying to expand to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to be talking about later on, but first, let's go over, look at exactly what this company is all about. So they have more than 5 million users online right now. The most important thing when it comes to social media is for the number of users that you have on your platform. So this is really significant, and they have more than 5 million, and their platform is also adaptable for the 5G platform, the ability to monetize user base. Now this is really important also if you want to generate revenue. That's going to be the most important part of the business plan. And they also want to track large companies for merger acquisitions, like exactly what happened to Twitch. So when you look at companies like Twitch, initially the company was just on TV, and they were able to sell their company for billions of dollars to eventually turn it into Twitch. So this company can also have that kind of potential by getting acquired by merger acquisitions, and also the user growth accelerate as the base grows, enhanced monetization possibilities, and the user benchmark enables the platform to be valued using comparable methods. So now let's go over the live streaming e-commerce. So HelloPal is moving forward with new technologies such as live stream to enhance the 5G revolution experience, plan to capitalize on China's billion-dollar live streaming market. So believe it or not, there are still social medias that are blocked in China, like for example Facebook. You cannot use Facebook over there. They have their own version of Facebook. So this is also their own version of doing live streams. And this is an app that is definitely gaining popular. So there are billions and billions of people out there in China. If this app definitely blows up into that level of billion users, this app can definitely be massive. So the 5G revolution has allowed for stronger signals and clear pictures for users across the globe. Live streaming has boosted sectors like education, entertainment, and tourism. So they have the most important thing that they see that why their platform actually grown is because the COVID-19 effect on live streaming, because a lot of people, they do not interact daily between one another because of the different lockdowns. So if you want to talk to your friends or relatives, you have to hop on an app to do live stream with one another, interact one another. So that is definitely one of the boosts that happened for this company. People are changing the way they shop, learn languages, interact with one another on social media. Internet traffic surges as companies and universities interacting over video chats and other online communication versus in-person interactions. So that is the main player in this app. So we have HelloPal's live streaming service. So what is a live streaming service? If you may ask, HelloPal users to broadcast themselves to other users in real time, receive virtual gifts, and redeem the gifts for cash. So if you actually notice, YouTube also has the same thing. Like if people do live streams, you're able to donate super chats, and you're able to, the super chats is definitely going to be in money, but over here you have tokens that you have, virtual gifts, and you can be able to redeem them with cash, just like with TikTok over there. If you use TikTok, if you actually seen some of the live streams on TikTok, they actually give you some tokens, and you can definitely exchange that for cash. So the robust growth, the live stream has added growth momentum to HelloPal user base, which now stands at 5.4 million registered users from over 200 countries. And the most important thing is that you want to have viewers. I mean, you gotta have users. Daily users needs to be at very solid point. So far they have over 15,000 active live streamers and viewers as of October 20. So that is really fantastic to look at. Exactly. So this is the step that you can definitely be able to generate money. You can definitely, if you want to sign up, if you want to follow along, of course, if you want to join the app, you can definitely follow these steps for you to make money. You sign up, create an account, and you're able to stream, people donate, and you can definitely get paid by doing that. So 5 steps to withdraw your earnings. This is exactly how you can withdraw it. And the monthly revenue has been exponentially growing. They have more than 900% revenue growth, so that's fantastic. As you can see right here, they have in January 21, in 2021, they have a 2020 average. They surpassed that significantly, and 900% revenue growth in 2020, and total revenue achieved in 2020 was 10.2 million Canadian. So Additional revenue streams that they're planning to do is to definitely add subscriptions. A VIP member subscription system is one of their plans to expand and to gain their revenue. So that is pretty solid. And the other features also this company has, and that's making gaming popular, is to allow people to share moments of their lives in form of pictures, short videos, audios, and text with other users on the platform. So that is pretty cool. And the other thing that we're going to be talking about is going to be the chat and translations. So this is really important to see. Hello Core features remain popular for users. So an open platform has encouraged global social interaction with people with similar interests using the filtering and matching abilities. You can easily find pals that suit your criteria. The world is suddenly in a much smaller place. So when you look at exactly different interests, let's say you're somebody that's interested in talking about anime, so you can definitely get a match with people that want to talk about, or their interest is going to be anime. So you can definitely hook you up with those type of people that have similar type of interests for you. So that is really fantastic. And when you look at the current state of HelloPal right now, they're planning to expand operations and sales team, expand to foreign non-China markets, increase focus on social features, upgrade, and also upgrading short live streaming and model to increase user activity and growth. So the other important thing we're going to be looking at is going to be the share structure. So issue and outstanding is around more than 147, options more than 11 million, warrants more than 8 million, and fully diluted more than 167. So this is going to be their share structure, and this is going to be the management team right now: the CEO, director, advisor, president, and we also have the director and CFO over here. So now let's move on to exactly what happened to this stock market today. So as you can see over here, we had some slight sell-off that happened for Tesla. We have AT&T that sold off. We got Microsoft that's been dipping. Apple, we have bank stock that showed relative strength, but the strength overall came from energy stocks. Energy stocks have been crushing it. Of course, you have Amazon stock also that's showing relative strength, but we'll see what can potentially be happening. Of course, the overall stock market had pulled back to the downside a little bit because of the inflation numbers and also the unemployment numbers. That was pretty bad last week. So we'll see moving forward for this week what to expect, but definitely it's been relatively volatile up and down, but today it was relatively flat. So we'll see how this week is going to be undergoing. Of course, we're in May, so the majority of the time in May, the stock market tends to go to the downside. It can sell off pretty good, so just be aware of that. But if you have any question, any comments, of course, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. If you want free stocks, free Bitcoin, check out the links in the description box. But I catch you guys on another video. Make sure you manage your risk. But let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.